Hello there, in this video I would like to show you how to lock and unlock apps with iOS 18 on the iPhone 15. Let's get started. So it is really simple now, we just need to select an application, for example let it be YouTube, then press and hold it and you will see this option to require Face ID. We just need to select it and you'll see a few more options, so we can either lock it or we can hide and lock it. I'm gonna select the first one. And now Face ID is required, so we can tap try again and now just enter the passcode. After this, when you will try to open YouTube, it will require to enter your passcode or to use Face ID. Let me show you. So now I'm just entering the passcode and here is the YouTube app. If you would like to unlock it, just press and hold it again. Let's just do it one more time. And here select don't require Face ID. Now you would need to confirm this step by entering your passcode once more, and now the application is unlocked. You can do just the same with any other application installed on your device. And that's it for today. I hope this video was useful for you and thank you so much for watching.